how to batch convert your photos files. So if you want to batch convert your photos files, then you just need to simply go with Win to PDF desktop batch. And once you're here, you can simply batch convert your folders or files in one of the following input formats. So here you will have all of these formats in which you can simply convert your folders to. So you can convert them in one of the following output formats. So you can simply choose any format that you would like. And here you can see all of the input file format and output file format, right? So you can batch convert the folders of files from one format to another by opening the batch convert window from the Win to PDF desktop file. So you just need to simply right click on it or just open the file option. On your file, you will have a batch convert option. Once you click on the batch convert, then you will have this kind of interface where you can simply enter the convert files from. You just need to simply enter the address and then enter the save to folder destination and go with merged file name and convert to format. So you just need to simply choose the format in which you would like to convert that file into. So if you choose PDF, then it will be changed or converted to PDF. And once you've chosen the convert files from settings, allow you to configure the location of the files to convert. Any files in this folder that are supported will be converted to the convert to format. You can type in the location or click change folder to browse the location. The save to folder setting allows you to configure the location of the converted files. It must be a different location from the converted files from folder. The save type setting controls how the source files are converted. So you can simply choose the save type. And if you don't know the meaning of this save type formats, then you just need to simply go here. And here you will have all of the information. For example, if you have this kind of save type, then that means the files are converted and then merged to a single PDF sorted alphabetically by the source file name. In this way, you can simply view all of the meaning of the save types, and you can simply choose a save type. And if you want to include the subfolders, then you can simply check that box. And here you can see all of these options. So you can convert PDF, docx, doc, rtf, odt, txt, html, and all of these options. You will have all of these options. So you can simply batch convert from this way. So once you've chosen all of that, now you just need to simply click on the convert option, which is here on the bottom right. Once you click on convert, then it will convert the files. It can take a long time to convert all the files. Like if you have a huge files, then you can simply wait for a few minutes and it will convert. And the cancel button remains active during the conversion process and allows you to cancel the batch convert. After the conversion is complete, a summary of conversion is displayed. So here you will have this kind of interface where it says the conversion has been completed. You can simply click on the OK and your batch convert will be completed. So that's how you can batch convert your photos and files. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.